Hi, I'm Sejal. I'm 45 years old. I've been suffering from autoimmune arthritis since past 5 years. I have tried each and every doctor in the city as well as overseas, but nothing helped me. So after trying many treatments and diets, I decided to give one more chance to a nutritionist. This is where I came across Dr. Shweta through a family friend who is a doctor. I was kept on a low calorie diet. I used to eat every 2 to 3 hours of interval. There was no difference in my inflammation as well as pain. So it helped me up to a certain point, but it was not effective for my disease. There's a big lesion all over my body and it takes another 15 days to settle. Doctor had some doubts, we got biopsy done. We were not satisfied, we got biopsy rechecked. So each and every field, I have gone to 4 doctors that we don't miss out on anything. What direction I was going wrong, or they couldn't understand what problem I had. When I met her, and within not even I can say 15 days, but within 5 days, I could find changes in my body. I never dreamed that I'll be able to live this way, a normal life. Last Diwali, everyone decided, all girls, to let's have a small performance. That was a time I felt I was in tears. I couldn't even get up and walk. Forget doing a dance. But now I can jump and I can dance. I was put on ketogenic diet with intermittent fasting as well as with supplements. I've been following religiously 120% from past 6 months. So like few things like protein, taking protein powder or taking tablets, it's most difficult thing is like how will I take? Every single day I did it. And now it's like even when I travel or when I go for my work, I just take it in the shaker, mix it and I have it like walking in the street also. It's become, I got so used to it now. 5 years ago, I was diagnosed with fatty liver. Again, before 6 months when I started with a diet plan, I went under sonography. The grade was the same. Then again after 6 months, I got my sonography done. The doctor who did the sonography was actually shocked. He's like, I can't believe without medications and in 6 months, again you are come back to me and it's reversed, like no more fatty liver. Even my lipid profiles were off since past 4 years. I was on statin. When I started with her, I was off medication for a month with doctor's permission. And we again got it tested done after a month. It was unbelievable. It was within the range. So earlier it was difficult for me to get up from the chair also and walk. Few steps I limp and then slowly gradually I come in that zone of walking. Within a week I noticed that I can walk, and in a span of 2 or 3 weeks, you can say along with walking, jogging, I covered 5 kilometers in an hour. So in the initial phase, I started with physiotherapy because I was not in the state of walking. So after doing a 1 week physiotherapy, the physiotherapist felt that now you can go for the strength training. So it's not just a strength training, but it's a structured training which is based on my requirements. It's planned specially for my body. Many of my friends and family members feel, will I be able to sustain? How long will you do it? Matter of 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. But then what? You'll be eating normal. I was like, right now also I'm eating normal. I'm enjoying my food. It's just how you take it. I don't want to go back to carbs. That's for sure. And I've healed because of this food. So for me, this food is a blessing. So my message to everyone, whoever's going through any kind of pain or inflammation or something which is not been able to diagnose what's happening, even if you go to any nutritionist, do check their credentials, their qualifications, or just don't go through Insta or just through someone's reference who have not even tried them and you don't even know them. Healing is different and just reducing weight is a different thing. When you heal, you feel different. You feel more confident. I had lost my confidence, yet I never gave up. I went with a hope to her. I know something can still work for me. You need to surrender yourself. You need to be patient. You need to trust your doctor. Anything is possible. But if you have doubt, nothing can work. So when I went to Shweta, I just surrendered myself. I said, get me out of the pain. I couldn't enjoy my life. I was completely, like you can say at some point I was dependent on someone. I didn't even ask her what medications, what supplements, what kind of a diet, nothing. Just get me out of the pain. With her support and my dedications, I have reached another level in my life. All thanks to you, Shweta.